Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor Brands Advanced Website Builder. This tutorial is going to add some tabs to the website. I've uploaded here one of the Tailor Brands templated websites. And if I scroll down, I'm going to add in some tabs here. Tabs are added to the website via widgets. So if I go to widgets over here on the left, I could either type in tabs, see if it's frequently used, which it is, or go to basics and I'll see the tabs here. And I'm just going to drag this in as a new row. And straight away you can see it's actually produced 3 tabs for you. Let's now look at these a bit more. So to alter a tab, you click on the tab. You can now change the image, which I might want to do. You can add from the free stock images. Select here something that's already used on your website, or upload your own. I'm just going to select this one. I can give it a label. I'm going to call this tab 1. The size of the heading I'm going to keep as H4. I can give it a description title, and I can give it a description. I can show a button or not. I'll show a button. And I can add a link, whether it's to a website, an existing page, an email address, etc. And I can change the text on the button. So that's the changes you can make for the first tab. Equally, I can do the same for the second tab. And the third. I can add a tab. I can delete a tab. I can show images, not show images. Let's have a look what it looks like now. So we have 3 tabs. To change the design of the tab, just right-hand mouse click and edit design. You have different layouts for the tabs. I'm going to stick with what I've got. In terms of the tabs themselves, you can change the font size, the font color. It's this grey at the moment. You can have it bold, or we can have it underlined, just to show the difference. You can change the alignments. You can have a different background color. I might want this grey color. I can have a border. I can reverse the direction of the tabs. I'm going to keep with this. I can add an image. I can cover, full, tile, no repeat, or keep in position. In other words, it's static as I scroll up and down. I'm not looking to have an image, so I'm going to delete this. The selected tab and hover. So this is the selected tab. This is dark color. I might want it size 18, bigger. I might want it italics. I can change the alignments. Again, I can change the background color. And I can have a border. I can have an image. The description style, let's start with the title. I can change the font size, the font color. In this case, we would like it darker. Have it bold, underlined or italics. Change the alignments. In terms of the description, I can change the font size, the font color. Let's make this darker. Have it bold, underlined or italics. Change the alignments. In terms of the background, I can change the color and I can have an image. The button style. I can reverse the button to either be on the right or on the left. Let's keep it to the left. You can change the style of the button, change the size of it, and keep it proportionate, make it a bit bigger or smaller. I can change the button text. I might want it bold. I can change the color, change the alignment. I can change the font, the hover font color as well. So when I hover over it, the color will change. You can change the hover font format. You can change the background color of the button. And you can change the border, size and color. In terms of the image, I can change the width of it. I can change the height of it. I can reverse the position. So by playing with these, you can change the position of the image and the text. You can change the width of the frame, have it large or small. can add some animation. This is where there are two triggers for the animation, on entrance and scroll. On entrance is that when you get to this part of the page, the animation will take effect. I might just want this to fade in. And fade in from the left. I can change the duration, delay and intensity, and I can preview the animation. And I can add some spacing. I can also change the width by dragging it across here, like so. It goes to the center. If I right hand mouse click and edit design, I can now change the position, either to the left, to the center, or to the right. Let's go back to the left, and let's pull it back to the correct size. Let's now see what this looks like under preview. We have tab 1, tab 2, and tab 3. And that's how you add tabs to your website. Pretty cool.